Big news in the tech world. Oracle is making headlines again. Not only is its AI cloud transforming industries, but Oracle's CEO has just crossed Elon Musk's net worth. How did this happen? And what does it mean for the future of AI? Oracle, once known for databases and enterprise software, has quietly become a powerhouse in AI infrastructure. With Oracle AI Cloud, companies run massive models faster, cheaper, and more securely than rivals. And unlike startups, Oracle's decades of data experience in healthcare, finance, logistics, and government give it a huge edge in real-world AI training. For years, Elon Musk dominated wealth rankings with Tesla and SpaceX. But the rise of the AI cloud market has reshaped the balance of power. Now, Oracle's leader sits above Musk, fueled not by rockets, but by the digital infrastructure that powers AI. This isn't just about money. It's a signal of where tech is heading. The fight is no longer only about who builds electric cars or launches rockets. It's about who controls the AI infrastructure. Just as oil fueled the 20th century, AI cloud is becoming the fuel of the 21st century. And Oracle is making its claim to the crown. From databases to dominating AI, and now overtaking Elon Musk in wealth. Oracle's CEO has rewritten the rules of tech supremacy. The question isn't just who builds AI innovations. It's who owns the cloud they run on. And Oracle may have just claimed the throne. Subscribe for daily AI updates.